Good morning, friends. It's Friday, February 24th, and we're looking forward to a great day of trading. I hope you've had a great week. The analysis that I see this morning is pre-market prices were coming in just at where they closed Thursday, which is to be expected unless something upsets the apple cart. And so obviously something did upset the apple cart. And what is that something? Well, going back to the morning news, the economic calendar, the personal consumption expenditures report came out, PCE index, that indicated inflation was still a problem, and that is going to further motivate the Fed to keep pressure on interest rates and move them even higher. And so that's what happened pre-market, and that's what this did. That's what caused this. Okay, so are you making money as a trader? Let me give you a sense of how I trade. Maybe you can learn something, you can maybe not learn anything, but I think I know what I'm doing after 20 years. First of all, I teach trading at Timeless Dollar Trading Academy, and I teach 6 trade setups: gap, support and resistance, time and price, trend, momentum and candlestick, GST, TMC. All right, if you've taken my course or if you've seen a number of my previous videos, you know this. There are only 6 trade setups. I don't care how much you try to squeeze visuals out of the market, there are only 6 trade setups. But even more important, I use the Taylor calculations that I modify from the teachings, from the additional observations of George Angel, I'm not sure how to pronounce his name. At any rate, the calculations come up to 12 individual calculations that are averages of averages, and they boil down to a resistance and a support number for each day. And these numbers, this range is based on the averages of previous days of trading. And the averages and the range, these numbers have been used for 75 years by professional traders. Almost every professional trader uses these numbers, places them on their chart to get a gauge of where the market is going to trade. For instance, or likely to trade. The market, when it dropped down, where did it drop? Okay, here was my support number for the day, 39.67. And my resistance number is up here at 40.23. Prices dropped down. Where did they stop? 39.67. Why didn't they go down to 2,500? Why not 2,000? Well, because the market obeys the numbers. And the only way to really trade and make money, really make money in the market, is to look to see where the market is likely to go. And this is a setup, my friends. I am fairly sure that the market is going to obey or trade within the trading zone, and I would not be surprised if they came and hit the gap. Looks like the market is going to open gap down. And let's see, right now we're at 39.68, and the gap is at 40.17. So we have a 50-point gap. My friends, it's likely, it's not sure, nothing in the market is sure, but this is how I trade. So, and I'm showing you my numbers for today. So this is pre-market. It's about, it's about 9 a.m. Eastern time, and the market is about half an hour from the open. And you could copy these numbers. You can look at my numbers, 39.67 at support, 40.23 at resistance, and you'll see if the market trades within this range. So if you have not been making money as a trader, you might look at these 6 trade setups and learn about them, because there are only 6. And you might also become an expert at trading or playing the gap trade, because the gap trade is the most easily seen setup that there is. I mean, you can't miss it, right? At any rate, again, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. If you'd like to learn how I trade, sign up for my course at timelessdollar.com. Sign up for my Trading Zone subscription service. I publish these numbers and report them every day as a subscription. It's not expensive, and you can make some real money. And for those of you who have not been making money in the market, and I think that's somewhere, it's a number of around 90%, I think I can teach you something. At any rate, have a great day trading. Friday, February 24th, Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Use lots of patience. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in